What's inside the Maker's Mercantile blocking wire set? Let's take a look. So inside the tin, you're going to find a card that has a QR code on it, as well as a URL to put into your browser, and that will open up a series of videos that demonstrate the product. On the other side of the card, you're going to find generalized instructions on how to use the blocking wires. You're also going to find a baggie with stainless steel T-pins and, of course, blocking wires. So you'll find when you open your tin for the first time that we've put these in a storage bag, and we encourage you to put them back in this bag as when you're done using them to help make sure that they don't unspring or uncoil when you don't want them to. So here are the different wires, and you'll see this other little piece here that is added as well to add a bit of insurance to make sure that they are not springing forward. So let's take a look at this wire here. So you can see when it comes from us that these wires have wrapped around each other to secure them in place. So what I like to do is I see where the wire is going to, and I will just hold on to it with my left hand, and I'm unspinning it with my right hand. So there is two, and it looks like there it goes, it's unsprung. So now we're ready to block away, get all of our things done blocked. When we're ready to put these away, when we're done using them, hold on to the end. I'm about 6 inches in from the very end, and I'm going to just coil the wire onto itself, and I'm holding onto that coil, and I just want to double check to make sure that yes, indeed it will fit into my tin. And then I'm going to match the diameter roughly of that coil so that I have my wires ready to go. And then I'm going to take this wire and put it into the hole around and into, and this is wrapping the wire around itself. So there's one side. You want to make sure that this little wire is sticking out just a little bit. And then here is the other one. The other one will go up into that circle, and there you go. So now that wire is ready to go back into its container. So you'll put it with its friends. If they're not all exactly the same size, diameter, it doesn't matter as long as they're fitting into that tin. And then we'll just put this little bit of Velcro onto the wires. So you just wrap that around it. That's just a little added insurance. And then back into the bag. So you get to live in here until the next time. Blocking wires. We'll seal up the bag, but I'm not going to seal it all the way because I got to make sure to get the air out of it. And I'll just fold over the little corners to get it into this container. My T-pins, once I'm done using, they'll go back into the bag, into the container. The instructions, of course, in here as well. The lid goes back on, and it's ready to be stored until you're ready to block again.